Is your personal data truly safe in the digital era? Today, we uncover a chilling reality: how artificial intelligence, once heralded for its potential to transform our world, is now being exploited by hackers to steal your information. From AI-generated deepfakes to sophisticated phishing schemes, cybercriminals are leveraging advanced technology to breach security defenses with alarming ease. Join us as we delve into the 7 ways hackers are using AI to infiltrate systems and compromise your most sensitive data. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Personalized phishing to steal personal information. Phishing, already a prevalent cybersecurity threat, has become significantly more sophisticated with the integration of AI. Utilizing AI algorithms, hackers can meticulously analyze vast datasets to personalize phishing attacks. These messages are crafted to mimic genuine communications from familiar sources like colleagues, supervisors, or trusted institutions, making them highly convincing. By incorporating specific details known to the target, such as recent transactions or internal protocols, these AI-enhanced phishing emails bypass traditional security filters and exploit human trust. Once a recipient falls victim and interacts with the malicious content, whether by clicking on a harmful link or divulging sensitive information, hackers gain unauthorized access to systems or compromise personal data. This method underscores the importance of continuous cybersecurity awareness and robust email security protocols within organizations. Educating users about the signs of phishing and implementing multi-layered authentication measures are critical steps in mitigating the risks posed by AI-driven personalized phishing attacks, safeguarding sensitive information from unauthorized access and exploitation. Number 2. Spreading deepfakes to steal personal information. Deepfake technology leverages AI to create convincing fake audio and video content, capable of deceiving individuals and manipulating public perception. Hackers exploit deepfakes to orchestrate sophisticated social engineering attacks and spread false information. For example, a deepfake video purportedly from a company executive could instruct employees to share confidential information under false pretenses. Moreover, malicious actors can fabricate damaging content that tarnishes a company's reputation, diverting attention while executing covert data breaches. The widespread use of deepfakes complicates digital authentication and trust verification, posing significant challenges to cybersecurity frameworks. As AI continues to refine deepfake generation, organizations must implement robust detection mechanisms and authentication protocols to combat this emerging threat effectively. By investing in AI-driven detection technologies capable of identifying manipulated content and verifying the authenticity of multimedia communications, businesses can mitigate the risks posed by deepfakes and safeguard sensitive information from exploitation. Number 3. Cracking CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA, completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart, was developed as a defense mechanism to differentiate between human users and bots, safeguarding online systems from automated attacks. However, AI advancements have rendered traditional CAPTCHA systems increasingly vulnerable. AI algorithms excel in image and pattern recognition tasks, enabling them to swiftly solve CAPTCHA challenges that were once effective deterrents against automated scripts. By automating the identification of objects or characters within CAPTCHA puzzles, hackers can circumvent these safeguards to gain access to secure systems or launch subsequent phishing campaigns. This AI-driven approach emphasizes the critical need for evolving CAPTCHA technologies capable of resisting sophisticated AI-based attacks. Implementing adaptive CAPTCHA mechanisms and leveraging AI for enhanced anomaly detection are essential steps in fortifying cybersecurity defenses. These measures can help mitigate the risk of unauthorized access and protect sensitive data from exploitation in an increasingly AI-powered threat landscape. Number 4. Using brute force with AI. Brute force attacks involve systematically attempting all possible combinations of passwords until the correct one is identified. Historically, these attacks were resource-intensive and time-consuming. However, AI-powered brute force techniques have revolutionized this method by leveraging predictive algorithms and machine learning capabilities. AI analyzes vast data sets to predict likely password combinations based on user behavior patterns, significantly accelerating the decryption process. This efficiency poses a formidable threat to password security, particularly when combined with computational power that surpasses human capabilities. Organizations must implement robust password policies, including complexity requirements and regular updates, to mitigate the risk posed by AI-enhanced brute force attacks. Additionally, deploying multi-factor authentication, MFA, and behavioral analytics tools can enhance security posture by detecting unusual login patterns and unauthorized access attempts. By adopting proactive measures and leveraging AI for defensive purposes, businesses can strengthen defenses against brute force attacks and safeguard sensitive information from exploitation. Number 5. Listening to keystrokes. Keystroke logging, traditionally a method of recording keyboard inputs, has evolved with AI technologies. Unlike conventional approaches that capture every keystroke indiscriminately, AI-driven keystroke logging focuses on discerning patterns and predicting likely sequences. By analyzing behavioral patterns and contextual cues, AI algorithms achieve high accuracy in identifying user passwords and sensitive information. This method circumvents traditional encryption and authentication measures, exploiting vulnerabilities in user behavior monitoring and data protection protocols. As AI continues to refine its capabilities in keystroke analysis, organizations must adopt advanced encryption standards and behavioral analytics tools to mitigate the risk of unauthorized data access through compromised keystrokes. Implementing real-time monitoring and anomaly detection solutions can further enhance security posture by identifying suspicious activities and triggering immediate response measures. By integrating AI-driven technologies with robust cybersecurity strategies, businesses can defend against keystroke logging attacks and safeguard personal and organizational data from exploitation. Number 6. Audio fingerprinting to steal personal information. Voice biometrics, which authenticate individuals based on unique vocal characteristics, are increasingly vulnerable to AI-driven attacks like audio fingerprinting. This method involves AI algorithms analyzing voice samples to replicate voices with remarkable accuracy. By studying voice patterns and characteristics, AI can generate convincing audio clips that mimic a targeted individual's voice. This capability undermines voice-based authentication systems, enabling hackers to impersonate authorized users and gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. Organizations must deploy robust voice recognition technologies equipped with AI-driven anomaly detection and verification protocols to defend against audio fingerprinting attacks effectively. Enhancing the resilience of voice biometrics against AI manipulation is crucial for maintaining secure authentication processes and safeguarding personal data from exploitation. By integrating advanced AI technologies into security frameworks and implementing stringent authentication measures, businesses can strengthen defenses against audio fingerprinting attacks and protect sensitive information comprehensively. Number 7. AI-aided social engineering. Social engineering leverages psychological manipulation to deceive individuals into divulging confidential information or granting unauthorized access. AI enhances this tactic by analyzing extensive data sets to create detailed profiles of targeted individuals. These AI-generated profiles enable hackers to craft personalized and convincing narratives that exploit psychological vulnerabilities and interpersonal trust. By simulating genuine interactions and leveraging AI-generated insights, malicious actors bypass traditional security defenses. They can persuade targets to disclose sensitive information or execute unintended actions that compromise security. Organizations must enhance employee awareness through cybersecurity training and implement robust behavioral analysis tools to detect and mitigate AI-enhanced social engineering attacks effectively. Strengthening defenses against AI-driven social engineering is crucial to mitigating the risks posed by evolving cyber threats. By adopting proactive measures and leveraging AI for defensive purposes, businesses can safeguard personal and organizational data from exploitation. In this digital age, AI stands as a double-edged sword in cybersecurity. While it enhances defenses, its misuse poses unprecedented threats to personal and organizational data. Vigilance and proactive measures are crucial in mitigating these risks. By understanding how hackers exploit AI, we empower ourselves to bolster security measures effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore emerging trends in digital innovation. Remember, knowledge is power in safeguarding your digital footprint. Stay safe and see you next time.